Hey guys, welcome to another video by Analytics, and we are back. We are back after predicting again and again the bull run. ETH hits new high of 2000, Bitcoin touches a market cap of 1 trillion. You go back to our weeks 21, 22, go back to the first week and you look at our analysis since first week till now, and you'll see how accurate we've been. ETH core developers are eyeing a mid-April launch and converting the ETH framework into a proof of stake network. BNB crossed 7x as PancakeSwap flippins Uniswap's volume, and the Binance chain adoptions really skyrocketed. And it also was basically due to the fact that BNB touched $300 because of that. OKCoin delists Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin SV to avoid misleading new Bitcoin clients. That was so stupid. Two Bitcoin ETFs started trading in Canada, and the volume passed over $165 million in one day on the TCS exchange. UK trading firm BCB launches Bitcoin treasury service for crypto curious CFOs, apparently. Malaysian police busted a gang that stole 2.15 million worth of electricity to mine Bitcoin. NFL offensive tackle Russell Okung, considered the highest paid in the league, was obviously paid in bitcoins. Due to crypto ban in Nigeria, Bitcoin sells for $76,000 in the gray market. World's largest asset manager firm BlackRock enters the Bitcoin space. The stack to flow model, the S2F model, predicts that Bitcoin price will increase to beyond $100,000 by the end of the year. Blockchain.com raises 120 million in strategic investment financing round in firm's institutional arm swells. Well, yeah, that's pretty sick, isn't it? All right, let's look at the historical performance. So historically, we predicted that it had a support at 38,000 and a resistance at about 42,000. And let's see what happened. Booyaka! Now Bitcoin's up about 35% in 2 weeks' time, and it broke the resistance, and it's now trading close to about $55,000. Our prediction for next week is that we have a support at 52,500 levels and a resistance at about $57,000 level. So if it breaks the support or breaks the resistance, obviously it's going to give a good move. So if it breaks the support, our target is that it could go to around 40,000 levels and could give about 25% potential profit. And if it breaks the resistance, it could go to about levels of 66,800 levels, giving another 15 to 20% movement. And again, as we repeat ourselves, the key condition is that both the support or the resistance level should be broken with large volumes. The trade should only be made with a 1 hour candle. And so whenever a 1 hour candle closes above the resistance or below the support, then only the trade should be made. And we should only use a minimum 1 hour chart to make a trade and analyze the movement. So nothing small. Going to ETH, so ETH we predicted again a support at 1600 level and resistance at 1760, and look what happened. Boom! Broke the resistance, and it's now at 20,016, and didn't actually break the support as such on our days. So trade for the future. So we give out support at 1920 levels. So if it breaks the support, it could go down to levels of 1650, giving another 20% profit. And if it breaks the resistance at 2060, it will go to 2450 levels. That will give another 20% gain. And the key support and resistance levels should be broken again and again, as we said, with large volumes. And the 1 hour candle should close above the resistance or below the support to give trade confirmation. And we should only use a minimum 1 hour chart to make and analyze the trades. Coming to the S&P 500, we have been very successful. The S&P 500 broke our resistance, gave about a 5 to 7% gain. And the trade for the future for S&P 500 is that we have a resistance at about 39.50 and a support at 38.65. So if our support at 38.80 is broken, it could go down to the levels of say about 37.80 and 37.50. And if it breaks our resistance, it could go to above the levels of 4,000 to giving another 2 to 3% movement. Again, the key over here is that the support and resistance level should be broken with large volume. The 1 hour candle should close below the support or above the resistance to give a confirmation, and we should use a minimum 1 hour chart to trade and analyze the movement. Okay, Okay, moving on to gold. We've been very successful. So gold, we gave a support at 1780 and a resistance at 1830, and it broke the resistance. It broke the support at 1780, and it gave a movement down to 1770, and it's now consolidating. So our resistance for support is about 1825, and resistance for gold is about 1825, and our support is 1765, and the buy should be about 1825, and the sell should be 1765 if it breaks the support or it breaks the resistance. That's such. And again, the trade should take place taking into account the 1 hour candle. So the 1 hour candle should close above the resistance or below the support, and large volumes should make account and only use a 1 hour clad. So again, we come back and back again and giving 100% accuracy. AIX is on top form. Be looking forward from hearing on for you, and happy trading, guys. Keep trading. Thank you. Bye bye. Cheers.